birthday, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Cause it's getting married by the unicorn. 5 years later, I already have a baby unicorn. Okay.
Alright, so yeah. She's gonna mess with that little kitty. So yeah, we got this little kitty LOL doll. I mean, if you're a big fan of LOL, oh poop. It fell.
Oh, she's naked. Okay, don't see, guys. This is very weird.
No, it's just a doll. Yeah, so if you're a big fan of LOL, then it's a little cat that's a mermaid. Okay, first of all,
She's ultra rare.
Cats hate water, and she's a mermaid cat.
She has powers. So we're going to set her right here.
By that big A. Yeah, that's my clone.
Let's go. Whoa. Oh, guys.
I got it from Christmas.
Here is the necklace. I know, I've been filming it.
Kind of little garbage, don't you think? That's a fail horn. Fail horn.
We're going to take this off because there's something happened. So, we're going to... I have a choice.
I don't know why everyone in my school is wears like a choke necklace.
Choker necklace.
I don't know why it's
Not
called
choke necklace.
choke necklace. They should have called, instead of a choker necklace, they should have called the Joker necklace.
Hey, I give Bulbasaur one because he's green.
That's yellow, not green.
Actually, yeah, it is.
Yeah, ew. Yeah, don't even disturb that penguin. Oh yeah, this is
Wait, what do you...
Yeah, sorry about that. Don't even. So yeah, this thing lights up. You're trying to grab the camera. Stop.
I just really love
So yeah, look. It lights up. It's so pretty.
Oh, we're going to get the thingy.
Oh wait, it's turned on. Whoa, it's so pretty.
What happened to my Jura stickers?
Yeah, look. This is what it looks like.
Oh, my God, she fell.
This is what it looks like. Oh yeah. Hold on.
You turned it off.
That one, that lamp right there, it lights up too.
Yep.
Hold on.
It's only for that. We had two.
I swear, I thought it would work. It has the color one.
So this is what happens if you click this. It's red, purple.
Yeah, it has the color. It has it. It's
Every
in there.
time
It's
I
not working.
change it. It's very pretty, you guys. It's very pretty.